Hey guys, Satish here with SMS Bot. I want to show you this crazy good software that we've been using in our business and for our clients for almost 1 year, and it's finally ready for me to sell it to you guys publicly. So let's go and try it out right now. So it's called the SMS Bot. Now the way it works is it works with pretty much you go to bots, right? You add your phone number, you get it from Twilio, very easy. And once you do that, you click on edit. You pretty much create a keyword. For example, right here, I want people to text love to this phone number. So when they do that, here's what's going to happen. It's going to ask you all these questions. It's going to capture all the information. So let me show you to you in action, and I'll show you the software after that. Okay, so let's take a look at the software first. So I got my phone right here, and I'm going to open it up. I'm going to move my face down here. Let's go take a look at the software. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and text love. Now what's going to happen here is watch. It's going to ask, howdy, what's your name? So whatever I type in, it's pretty much going to save that on the system. So let me show you how it's working here. So when I click on edit, right, I'm saving it to names. So whatever I respond, it's going to save it to the names right here. So let's go back right here so we can actually try out the software properly. So I'm going to go ahead and put my name here, Satish. It's going to ask me, are you a human? Now, so if they answer no, you can pretty much, have a two-way response. Like, you can have alternative answers. So I'm going to go ahead and text love one more time. I can text with, there we go. My name is Satish. And I'm going to say, are you human? Yes, I'm a human. Human. What's your email? So this is a way to capture email address. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my address here. Email address. It's pretty much going to capture the email address. Let's watch it. Boom. Okay, it saved your email address. And now what city do you live in? I'm going to put Dallas. It's going to save your city as well. Wow. How old? It can save your age as well. I'm going to put 67. And let's go ahead and show up. Pretty much, yeah, definitely. I plan on buying the SMS bot. And boom. That's awesome, right? So not only can the system send text message, it can also send images as well, like this. Images do take a little while because there are images, but they do work. So it's gonna send a balloon. There we go. It sent it right here. So have a happy birthday. So that's how the system works. Let's go and take a look at this software that's making all this possible. Okay, so let's go down here. So let's see, I'm going to put this here and okay. So I can create a bot just like this. Very easy, very simple. Now if I want to send a notification to a phone number when there is a response, I can do that from here. So how would I use this in what scenario? So what I could do is this. Pretty much I can go here. And I can go ahead and create a new one. It's called equals. I'm going to call it home, right? So I can print an advertisement that says home for sale, text home to this number. Okay, so I want people to do that. So what I'll do is this. So thanks for reaching out. I will call you in 10 minutes. So you can do that. Okay, you can add your photo and stuff. I'm going to add a photo just for the purpose of demo. I'm going to add one right here. Add. And done. Okay, now I wanna send notifications. So if somebody's gonna text on this number, I want the client to get a text. I'm gonna go ahead and put it here. I'm gonna put in my phone number here, just for demo purpose, and I'm going to click on save. Now let's try this demo out. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go ahead and type up home. Now what's going to happen in this time is pretty much going to send a notification to the person whose number is on that notification box, and then it's going to send the client who's asking for a response this little text message. So that's pretty cool. Now the coolest part about the notification is that you can have multiple notification phone numbers, like for this one or for this one here, so you can have multiple ones on the same system. That's awesome. Now, let me show you how it works on Contact. On Contact, it's pretty much saving all your data. For example, name, phone number, email, age, gender, address, zip code, race. A lot of information is pretty much being saved right here, and you can pretty much go ahead and export that if you like as well by clicking on export to CSV by clicking right here. Very simple, very easy. I love it. If you want to add contacts here, you could by clicking on adding a contact here. Now, what you could also do is, let's say you're having a conversation with somebody. Let's try this out in a live demo. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my phone one more time. This time around, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna type in demo one more, not demo, love one more time, and I'm going to go ahead and watch what's happening. So all the conversation that takes place, you can pretty much access it right here, and you can interrupt this bot. So for example, here it says human, no, right? Now this would be like ending the conversation right here, but what you could do is get on here and be like, hey, sorry about that, can I help you? Like this, you could do that, and the response would actually be, sent directly to the phone, and you can have a conversation directly from the SMS bot. So you can interrupt the bot if you want to. Okay, so that's a feature here. Of course, you can export the conversation here for your purpose as well. That's brilliant. I love it. Now, of course, we have a send message. Now this is if you want to send out some sort of mass message to a particular respondents. For example, people who responded this baby, home, or love, you could do that from here as well, and you can schedule it or send it right away. The choice is yours. You got that right here. And that's pretty much it. Now, what can you do? Like, how can you make money with it? How can you, monetize it? A lot of ways, guys. So think about it. So you could sell this to a realtor. Now, you know how realtors are, publishing postcards. You can tell them, hey, I can give you the system that's going to notify you when somebody texts home to this phone number. That's just option A, right? Number two is you could pretty much post this on your website. Be like, okay, text discounts to this phone number to get a discount code. And before you give out the discount code, you could ask for their name, email, phone number, whatever you want. And you have that data right here on your dashboard. How cool is that? I love it, right? So you could do that. You could do so many things with it. You can sell it to auto dealerships. You can sell it to coffee place. I'll tell you a story. So a couple months ago, we actually set the system up at a cafe, at a coffee place here in Frisco, Texas, and pretty much we have a big board that says, text Wi-Fi to this phone number. So this cafe place, they give out free Wi-Fi, but they want their information so they can go ahead and send them promos, right? So it'll ask them for their name, email, information, and it'll give them the Wi-Fi password. How cool is that? I love it. I love it. If you if you want to try this system out, I'm gonna put the phone number at the bottom of this video somewhere and try it out. You're gonna love it. Keep in mind that this number is a US phone number, but if you live outside of US, that's not a problem. What you could do is you could come here and you could click edit, and you don't have to set it up for US. You can set it for pretty much every single country you want to. You could be living in India, you could do it. You could be living in UK, you could do it. You could be living in Iran, you could be living in Australia, you could be living in Canada. Like I said, it's the best, okay? It's the best product, and it's going to make your life so much easier. It's going to make it fun for people to give out information and for you to capture information as well. And you're getting the software at a very, very, very discounted price, because I'll be launching this software very soon publicly, and I'll be charging people, nickeling and diming them. But you guys are my best buddies. You guys are my friends. You guys haven't known me for a long, long time, and I want to give you this discount because I love you. Okay, I love you. Okay, so go ahead and check out the entire sales. Oh, guess what? To be honest, skip to the buy button because I've shown you everything. You're gonna get it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.